Not a sponsored post, but these Hunter variable speed brake lathes are the best on-car brake lathes ever. So the way it works is it's variable speed, so it goes fast and then slows down, it goes fast and then slows down. So basically you never get that annoying like vibration that like messes up the surface on the rotor. If you're still using the Pro Cuts, you know, you have to use those stupid clamps that sit on the rotor to try and stop it from like vibrating, and they never work. So I don't know, if you got like 10 grand laying around the shop, get you a Hunter variable speed brake lathe.